Hello friends, how are you doing? I came up with another important clip which is changing the device priority preferences in BIOS menu. Be cool and stay watching. Just turn on your PC by clicking the power button. Here a note for you. The BIOS key which different from motherboard to motherboard. Here I am giving you demo in Dell PC. If you are using any other PC or motherboard, just type your PC or motherboard name in Google and type BIOS key. You will be getting to know the BIOS key for the respective PC. After hitting the F1, you could see the BIOS menu appear in your monitor. Use the left and right navigation key in your keyboard to go to the next menu option. Once you reach the boot menu, use minus and plus keys in your keyboard to make the bootable device to come into the top. I have bootable OS in my USB pen drive, so I keep the same on the top. Now hit F10 to save your changes done and reboot your system. Then hit the enter in your keyboard to confirm yes to proceed further. That's it, you have done the process. Now it will automatically go to boot the operating system from the USB pen drive. If you like this video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe. Till the next video, stay tuned and stay happy.